Now, when you hear RE, or shall I say Royal Enfield, what's the first thing that pops to your mind? A Conti 650, a Bullet, or even a classic 350. And that's exactly what we have here. The classic 350, moreover the BS4 model. Introduced in 2009, this mid-20th century motorcycle blew people's minds away with its vintage look and aesthetic, while it was inspired by the post-British War motorcycle, the Royal Enfield G2. The journey began in 2009 and the legacy was kept to mark until 2021, as a classic 350 was by far the best-selling motorcycle in India. Now with the BS4s, there were two variants, the 350 and the 500, and the reason as to why I said 2021 was because after 2021 was the entry of the BS6 model. Now when we look at the classic 350, it always stood by terms such as vintage, classic and elegance, which is clearly seen with the teardrop shaped fuel tank with a capacity of 13.5 liters of fuel. It is proportional to all the elements of the motorcycle, such as the side panels, the fenders and every part of the motorcycle, making every old school motorcyclist fall in love with this motorcycle. Now when we take a glance at the side profile, we understand that the design is supposed to be old school and absolutely robust, with its front and rear fenders that are purely made out of metal, which contributes to the old school design, making it a man's motorcycle. The front of the classic is by far the most iconic part, with the tiger headlamps being unique. While of course if I keep talking about how old school it is, you'd probably feel it's boring. So there's so many unique parts with its halogen indicators, the tiger headlamps and of course the halogen tail lights, marking it old school as well as unique. Now the BS4 model features a single pod instrument cluster with a speedometer and an odometer. Now you'd notice how none of these have a digital feature in them, as it's supposed to be kept vintage and clean, making you look like a 1980s hero.
The classic 350 with its low seat height, well-spaced handlebars and foot pegs provide a nice upright position for riding in the city as well as highways. It has a commanding presence on road due to its long wheelbase and wide stance. Moving on to the engine, we have a 346cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine that was introduced by Royal Enfield in 2008, also known as the UCE or Unit Construction Engine. These replace the cast iron engines, marking a significant evolution while retaining the brand simplicity and heritage. The speciality about this engine is that the engine and the gearbox are integrated into a single casing, unlike the older cast iron engines that had a separate casing for the gearbox and the engine. With its capability of delivering 28 Newton meters of torque at just 4000 RPM, this engine is enough to pull you through low gears even in city traffic or on the highways. You get to experience the sweet spot of the bike between 70 to 90 kilometers per hour. However, at higher speeds you experience a lot of vibrations. One thing that the BS4 engine still retains is the classic thump noise. When it comes to braking and suspension, the front and rear both get disc brakes on this particular variant, and the front gets 130 mm of suspension travel while the rear gets 80 mm gas charged shocks, which are 5-step preload adjustable. Overall, the classic 350 is the perfect bike for motorcyclists who require practicality but also prefer vintage rawness at the same time. Until next time, peace.